Good morning, students. How are you today? Good. So, welcome to a new day. So, what's the day today? Today is Wednesday. And what's the date? Today is 15th July 2020. And what we are going to start up? Yes, your science lectures. And which chapter? Chapter number 1, sense organs. So, yeah, day before yesterday, what sense organs we have completed? Yes, we have completed all the 5 sense organ in humans, and we have started sense in animals. Which sense we have completed? The sense of smell and the sense of sight. So, today we are going to learn more about sense of hearing. How do we have ear with the help of ears? Our ears are external ears. Can you see our ears ना? These are called as external. जो बाहर होते हैं, external है. Okay. Similarly, some animals they have external ear, like elephant, dog, deer. They have what? External ears. Okay. Rabbit. They all have external ears. But there are some animals like reptiles. Okay. You have seen snake or birds, they have internal ear. You can't see their ears. It is not visible from outside. So it is internal. जो visible नहीं है outside, that is called as internal, and those are visible, we call it as external. So, but they have small hole. Okay, internal means they have very small hole which is not visible. Okay, from outside. And sense of hearing is developed in some animal very well. Hearing also is developed very well, especially like dog, monkey, rabbit, deer, elephant, bat. Okay, so we will learn about different animals and their hearing. Like an elephant. How do elephant communicate with each other? Through vibrations. How they do produce vibrations? Have you seen their foot so big? Okay, so they sense of head vibration because of the skin feet. So when they move or they thumb their or stump their feet, so it forms a vibration. Which other elephant, their fellow elephant, can recognize what they need to communicate. Through the skin of their foot, they can recognize their vibrations and they can communicate each other with the help of this. So look how they've seen their external ear are so big. It is because of that reason only, so that they can get lots. They can hear a very tiny vibrations also, like very minute vibrations also. They can feel it. They can hear it. Okay, and they can come to know about the animal they are approaching, and even with the help of their trunk. Have you seen their trunk? Yes, it is for that purpose of that only. For vibration, contacting each other, like one elephant will contact each other with the help of their trunk. Their vibration they produce, and they send signals to other elephant, and then they come to know about the animal they are approaching it. Okay. Now, which is the other animal? Dog. Okay. Dog also have a very good sense of hearing. Okay, their range of hearing is 4 times more than compared to humans. Their sense of smell is how much? 1,000 times more. And what about their sense of hearing? Have you seen their ears? When they hear something, their ears stand up like this way. Have you noticed anyone? Okay, now we have not go and notice once again. So they have got and very small sound also. So they get raised up like that with the ears, and they are able to hear a very smallest sound also, and that's why they are called as guard dogs. Yes, so if they are like anywhere, anything, any thief can come, so they can recognize their voice or their sound, and they start barking. Okay, have you heard barking at the night especially? So very tiny sound also, and they start like making an alarm. It is like they are barking this alarm to alarm us that somebody is there. So that's why they are called as guard dogs also. They are to protect our house. That is for our safety we use them. Okay, and which is other animal? Bat. Have you seen bat? They produces a kind of a sound to know about their prey. By producing the sound, it's a kind of a vibration. When it is vibrating and it is reversing back to them, so there is a like if it is a disturb, so they come to know about the prey. Okay, and then they help them to catch the prey. So they come to know what kind of the size of the prey is and what distance it is. So they send a vibrations. When the vibrations is traveling, now it has been disturbed by somewhere, so they come to know what's the size, the time of vibration it is disturbed, so they come to know about the size or how distant, far away the prey is. Okay, how far the prey is from themselves, from them. So that is they produce a sound. So the ears are also very good when they are producing that vibration. So they are able to hear it. Okay. So that's how bat recognize their prey and they attack them. Okay. Got it? And similarly they can protect them also. Because if they come to know that somebody is like in between them and this size is very big, so they could be attacked by them. So they will protect themselves. That is the sense of hearing. Now sense of taste. Like human being, how do we taste our food? With the help of our tongue. With the help of our tongue, mouth. Okay. So at mouth we have what we have learned. We have taste buds, which tells about the different taste in us, like sour, salty, sweet, spicy, whatever the different taste are. But are the animal able to do taste by tongue only? All the animals? No, they have different like earthworm. Have you seen earthworm? Now that it's rainy season, na, that red color like small, that is called an earthworm. It usually keeps on crawling in the mud or in the, on the wall. They are also called farmer's friend. You know, have you learned about it? In your social studies, you will learn it if you have not. So they taste their food through their whole body. They can sense it, the food, the taste. And the butterfly through their antenna. They have an antenna, na? So they uses their taste with their with their legs, not with their antenna, with their legs. So a fly, a butterfly, they can taste with the help of their legs. Even the flies. Okay, so when you see a fly when sitting on the food, they keep on moving their legs. They are tasting the food. Yes. So they can sense the food taste, sense of taste through their legs. And an earthworm says that it is not the whole body. Okay, it's the whole body. Now, which is the other sense? Which all sense we have completed? Sense of sight. Okay, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and which is other sense? Sense of smell. Okay, now we will learn about the fifth sense, that is sense of touch in animal. Okay, now in our body, how we feel the sense? Through touch, through our body, through our skin. But in different animals, they have other parts also, not only the skin but other parts also through which they can feel the sensation of touch. Which are they? Have you seen a cat? Have you seen a cat? Have you seen their whiskers? If this is are the whiskers of a cat, or the cat family, like cat, tiger, then your cheetah, all they are called as cat family. So they have whiskers. Through they are very very sensitive, very sensitive. Very small touch also they get like okay somebody is there and feel the sense in the surrounding and they get alert with that sense. Okay. Especially during the night when there is very low light, when the cat can't see much. So at that time, the sense of their touch, or that is their whiskers, it is called as whiskers. They help them in the sense of touch. They are able to identify the different things in the surrounding. In fact, Elephant, they have a particular touch. Okay, they uses their touch to, because the young one are like when they are born, so their eyesight is very weak. They are unable to see. So you always see that they hold their mother's tail through their tongue, and they are always moving behind them. Yes, that is a sense of touch. They can identify that as my mother or my family members, like that way. Usually they are always with their mother because their eyesight is very weak when they are born. So they, with the help of their touch, they can identify, okay, especially the young one. Animals like ant, monkey, dog can sense the occurrence of earthquake also. When earthquake is coming, or any many other natural calamities, anything like that, natural calamities like earthquake, volcano, or floods, so they can sense it to their body. They have that sense, so they can, like I told you now, they have many senses. Hearing, they are just 10 times more. Okay, then in birds they can fly the sight 1,000 times more. They smell, so they can, through their senses, they can find the occurrence of this also. So if you find, if any natural calamities are there, you won't find animals in nearby you. They usually go and find a safe place for themselves to hide. Okay, to hide themselves, they found a safe place. So this is because of their senses. Their sense organs are very strong compared to human beings. Some animals have developed different sense organs in a very well manners. Okay, so that's for today. I'll give you some work that you will have to do. Okay, bye, take care. Now, so page number 17 in your discovering book, you have to name the animal or bird that can see all around moving without moving its head. Which is that animal? Rabbit. Whose sense of smell is 1,000 times better than of human beings? Dog. Whose sense of sight enable it to see the object from a distance even of 10 meters? Yes, that is eagle and vulture. And what is distance we can see around? That is of maximum 2 meters. Now in your observation book, page number 9, you will do the following. Okay, you will have to answer the riddles. With the help, we helped a tiger to detect the movement or the vibrations. Which is tiger family? Cat family. With the help of what? Whiskers. We follow each other with the help of smell. Which are they? Ant. I help the butterfly to sense the taste. Which sense organ they use? Yes, they use the help of legs. Okay, elephant use meat to lead their young ones. What are they? Sense of touch. I detect the human smell and body temperature when one of our sense. In which, who detected body temperature? The smell of blood? That is mosquitoes. Yes, so you have to complete up this okay, this is a puzzle. You have to complete the riddle and you have to mark up the things. Okay, bye, take care.